All right, hey, physiology folks. Hope you made it through day one kind of okay, and we're able to do what I have on the screen here, the who gets the drug, at least on your own. If you didn't have a chance to communicate with other people, it's just making that decision of who you're going to choose on your own, and we'll continue with that over the next couple days as we break in. I know Schoology was up and down today. And so that's why I'm not giving you I'm giving you stuff to do, but not a ton to do right now as we get all this stuff figured out. And I've been trying to help kids work in other classes, work through issues we've had with Schoology and the work we're doing that they're doing on there. Anyhow, for Tuesday, I'm adding in part of a case study that goes back to an Ebola outbreak. And so you get to really follow along as you use that. You can kind of look at that as a guide as to what's going on right now with COVID-19. Again, just the first part of it, it's got links. I did it in a PDF so you wouldn't accidentally type in stuff on the actual document, lose stuff. But there's a PDF. It's got links that you click on, sources that help you answer. There's only 4 questions. Again, start those questions on your own, but then certainly you can communicate with your seating group and stuff to kind of discuss answers if you want. In a couple of days after we get through all this and everybody's settled in and Schoology's used to the volume of stuff that's going on and everybody's kind of done some different stuff, we'll set up a format where either through Zoom or maybe a Google Doc or something where we're all kind of together and looking over some of the answers on this, but as a whole class. But we'll worry about that after we get through a couple of sections and can pull all this stuff together and start tying it to some immunity and lymphatic physiology. So appreciate your patience. Hope you're staying safe. I do miss the fact that we're not in class together and stuff and having that kind of fun. But again, who gets the drug, and make those decisions and try and get discussion with your seating group and come to more of a unison as a smaller group. And again, in a couple of days, we'll kind of get together and kind of look at that data. Also start and complete the part 1 of the Ebola case. And again, trying to communicate with people and share some answers as you look at the resources that are attached to that. Anyhow, we made it through day 1, and stay safe, and we'll talk to you again soon.